Hello and welcome. So obviously we're in a different setup. It's wood and it's not white. And I have to hold the camera because I'm not at home. I am in Boston right now. I went to a coin shop. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at all of the things that I purchased. So we're gonna start off with these. These are just American Silver Eagle capsules. I've been looking for these and I found them at a good price. They were only 50 cents a piece. So pretty happy about those. Next up, let's go and do these, I guess. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this because I only have one hand, but let's try and go like that maybe? That works. All right, so I'll uncap it and then pour it all out. So I paid 75 cents for each of these coins in here. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this. We have 3 Indian head cents. So that was $2.25 for the 3 Indian head cents. We have a 1907, 1909, and a 1904. I already checked for the S&D on the 1909. There is none. But still, it's a good price for Indian head cents. So I'm glad that I picked them up at that price. And then we got a roll of V-nickels. So I'm gonna be using these for giveaways. And I got these for very, very cheap. I got them for 75 cents each. So very, very stoked about that. Now, moving on, we're gonna go ahead and open up this envelope.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay. There we go. Just a couple things in here. But I picked up 3 40%ers, a 1968, a 67, and a silver bicentennial, as you can see. So that I'm very excited about. I paid $2.50 for each of those. So it was 12 for the dollar. So I paid $3 for each of these quarters as well. And then this was a 40% silver quarter. So that's that. Oh, and they also gave me this capsule for free with the V-nickels. Now on to the next item. You may have already seen some of it. But I got this. It was $5. It's a series 1935E silver certificate. As you can see, it says silver certificate on the top, which is how you know that it's a silver certificate, as well as the blue seal there. There's not much to say about it other than I paid $5 for it, and it's AU. There's a tiny fold there and like a little stain, and so, you know, just the basics, because it was probably stored for a very long time. Now, all of that is done. We have one more thing, and it is this. So this is an 1858 dime seated Liberty, and I paid $10 for this. I will put a screenshot of how much this coin is worth, but I think it's in the $50 to $60 range. It's in VG, so I'm pretty excited about this. But that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, share, post your comments down below, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Happy hunting. Peace.